Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's always a pleasure to come your way with something educative, something that can help you find solution or answers to your questions. Now you have been learning programming for quite a while now. It's time for you to test your capabilities with some few exercises. So today in this video, we'll be given a set of incomplete codes where we have to put in the right parameters or the right words in order to make the codes complete. Now with this set, let's get straight to the video. Now we say test yourself with some few exercises. So that is question 1. The question said loop through the items in the fruit list. So we have to put the right parameters in these white boxes in order to make the code complete. So what are we supposed to fill in here? So here we say fruit is equals to apple, banana and cherry. Now how can we print this code? So what we need to fill in here is for x in fruit, then bring the semicolon, the column rather, then we bring the column, then print x. So let's submit and see. That means we are correct. Let's go to the next question. The next question says, in the loop, when the item value is banana, jump directly to the next item. That means when we reach banana, we should jump to the next item, which is cherry. So we have fruit is equals to apple, banana, cherry. For x in fruit, if x is equals to banana, what do we do in order to jump banana? So we just put in continue, then we submit. This is also correct. Let's go to the next question. Now we say use the range function to loop through a code set 6 items. So we have a range with 6 items. Now how can we do what? Use the range function in order to loop through these 6 items. So for x in what? In range, which is 6, for x in range into bracket 6, we print x. So let's submit. This is also correct. The next question says what? Exit the loop when x is banana. So fruit is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Now for x in fruit, if x is equal to banana, we have to break the loop. We break the loop in order to exit the loop. Is the same as to break the loop. So put in break, then we submit. So this is also correct. Let's go to the next question. Now the next question says what? Create a function named my function. So how can we create a function that is named my function? All you need to do is to def my underscore function. Sorry. Then we submit this one too. We are correct. Now the next thing is execute a function named my function. So let's submit this one too. It's also correct.